10 lines on Universal Children's Day. Universal Children's Day is celebrated on the 20th of November. World Children's Day is also known as Universal Children's Day. This day is promoted and coordinated by UNICEF. In 1954, the World Children's Day was first established as Universal Children's Day. This day is also devoted to promoting the ideas and welfare of the children of the world. On 20th November, several countries came together and promised to protect children's rights. It is necessary to protect children from violence and exploitation. There are millions of children who don't have access to education, healthcare, and opportunities. 264 million, the number of children who do not go to school. Universal Children's Day improve well-being of children. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.